1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000.
Welcome to the channel. Enjoy SB19's Indonesian Tongue Twister Challenge.
Kila day makan kita di kedai. Kakak mo kinal kakak mo. Easy man. Kipala. Ito mahirap yun naman. Kipala. Ah.
That's it.
Easy.
What? Your turn. It's
Pablo's
turn.
Sir.
Like the fourth one. Kakatwa.
What? Di mo kaya yan?
Kakakik ko kinal, kakakik mo. Ang hirap. Kakaktua, kakakik ka. Para to, kakatwa, kakakik ko kanal. It's so hard.
What does it mean?
Gakok.
Bird.
Bird, but yeah, specifically something bird. There's a bird called kakatwa. And kakak is like brother or sister. Kakak. And kakak is like my grandfather. Kunal is like no brother. Kakatwa. It's actually not really connected.
But the bird has a brother.
Kapala.
One more time.
Kapala. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. It's hard. It's so slow. 1,000, 2,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. Kapala. You know, in the Philippines, it sounds like frog. Palaka. Frog. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000.
Ken. Okay. So we're going to do.
So,
Oh no. Alright. Kaya pala. Is it kepala? Okay. Kepala. Mahirap din siya. Kepala. What? Yeah, what does it mean? Yeah, what does it mean?
it's like kapala is head,
Uh-huh.
kalapa is coconut.
Oh, coconut head. Kepala. I don't wanna do this. Kailanay makan, kedai. Kakatuwa. Kakaktuwa. Okay.
The
first one?
First one.
1, 2, 3. Go.
Tiba-tiba si botak di atas batu bata.
Did I do it right?
Tiba-tiba si botak.
Botak. 1, 2, 3, go.
Tiba-tiba si botak batok di atas batu bata.
Yeah, great.
Great.
Did you like this video? Subscribe, click on like, and leave a comment down below.